Hello, Sir Bruce from China. I hope that what we call you enjoy watching my video, even it is not professional. And thank you for trusting me. Hedro makalikot, tuloy lang ang buhay, tuloy lang sa pag-post ng mga nakakatulong na video sa mga mekaniko at sa mga baguhang mekaniko. Welcome, welcome. Additional information for anyone. You know the dynamo line, that alternator. Okay, so you can see with the red color wire, that alternator, the wire connected there, and also that came that going here in a messenger monitor. So you can see this is the messenger monitor. So this is the problem. Okay, that line, this light connected in this line. Okay, the number of wire is 403, so you can see 403, and also going to the alternator is 403 green wire. Okay, so now what to do, because I couldn't find where is the loose connection or open wire, so we do direct. We will see if the messenger will be work or not work properly, or if they did not, because I was checked the dynamo or the alternator. The alternator is good, so it should have, the alternator is producing AC to keep this messenger will be automatically off. So that light and the connection here that came from dynamo, this wire, okay, green color, 403 again, it is a messenger going to the messenger monitor, this monitor. Okay, so now what to do, we put direct, and then we will see if the messenger is okay, so must be the light will be off. Okay, so we will see the situation, because we almost check at the back, or else nabit maybe that wire we need to cut, and then we will put direct from there going that side. We will see what the situation. Okay, as we can see, the messenger, it is showing light. Okay, now I will put the battery see, yeah, now I'll put the alternator indicator. See, so you can see the connection on my hand, the light is gone. Okay, you know what is the problem? The line from here in here is shorted to the ground. See, shorted to the ground. This must be no connection. Only the connection that they have is going to the alternator. So now this line I make, it is from alternator. So you can see. Okay, again I remove. Okay, light showing, but I fix again the wire. Okay, the connection is there. Okay, see, the light is gone. So now the problem, it is in the harness. So how is it happen? I don't know. Okay, so what to do, we will cut from there on the socket side. I'm going to cut there. We will see if this line, it is still shorted. Okay, so you can see here. Based on the number in harness, it is on the socket, it is number 25. Okay, this line is number 25. So what to do, I'm going to cut it, and then we will see up there. Okay, so you can see the short that it is in. Now there's no short, so you can see. Yeah, the problem there, the harness, engine harness. So now I'm going to join, so you can see. Hold little. Okay, again remove. Again fix. That's the problem. So meaning to say, this machine or operator cab, there's no short. Only the short is there at the engine side. What to do? Because we don't have time. This machine is already prepared for shifting. So we will close this side. We will join it again. Okay, and then we will put direct connection from the dynamo. Will not go together with the harness. So you can see, now I join the wire, not properly joined. So again, this wire is 403. Yeah, the connection of this wire is going to the dynamo, or from the dynamo going here in the messenger area. So again, I'm going to connect, so you can see. Again remove. And then fix it again. The light is gone. Okay, that's all. Okay, again, this is what we made. Instead the green wire we used before, the same as the original, but we cut from the original line. As you can see, the wire is green. Okay, this is the original line, shorted to the other wire. I don't know where. So what to do, we cut it and then join to the extra wire until here. So nabit full little the wire. Okay. So we mix separate out to the main harness. So we can see right now, he is the mechanic. He is the mechanic, but willing to learn more about the electrical. So I told them, if your mind is open by learning more, what you do? Already finished, Joy? Yes. Okay. Kalas, mati kalas. Bara. There's no other way. Bend. Aywa. Because this shovel now is ready for shifting to our side. This is just only an extra information regarding about the charging. And once did you see on the monitor that like a sign of electricity, that is a alternator signal indicator.
Okay. Before that, harness
Kalas, no need.
and any place have shorted.
No need, no need. Sir. Leave it. So we'll go again inside the cabin. We need the tape. Okay, I broke the wire, but the purpose of cutting wire is just to make it sure that the line will found where is the short. Just a second, just a second. So now insulating the wire is finished. Okay, so what to do? We're going to start. As we can see, the monitor is showing light. That's what we call messenger. Okay, okay, start. There's no light showing anymore, but one more time. David, just hold this camera, put light on here, and then I will remove the wire from alternator.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay, I give signal.
And then show the light. Huh?
Okay. No. Yes, good. Okay, fixing. Yes, remove wire after signal coming.
Okay.
Okay.
Good. This is it. This is the extra information regarding about the troubleshooting once did you encounter the electric sign. This electric sign, okay? Once did you encounter, that's the proper way. That's the way of troubleshooting. Okay. Bye bye.